Morning, sir. Myself, Pujita. I am from EC department in Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. My roll number is 244G1A0492. Subject name Analog and Digital IC Applications. Subject code 23EC501. My topic is monostable operation, a stable operation with IC 555 timer. Now we will discuss about introduction to the 555 timer. The 555 timer is a versatile IC used for generating precise times, delays, and oscillations. It can operate in different modes, primarily monostable and unstable. These modes are fundamental in creating various pulse and waveforms applications in electronics. First of all, what is 555 IC timer? The 555 timer is a very popular electronic circuit. It produces time delays and generators, square wave generators. Simple words in 555 timer IC is works like an electronic circuit. Main uses of 555 timer is to generate time delays and to generate square wave and pulses. It is used oscillator circuits and it is also used alarm circuits used to control the switch on and off. It can operate in different modes. There are a stable mode and monostable mode, last one bistable mode. These are the introduction to the 555 timer. Overview of monostable operation. Monostable modes produces a single output pulse when triggered. The duration of the output pulse depends on external resistor and capacitor values. It is commonly used for time delay applications such as debouncing switches or time circuits. First of all, what is monostable operation? Monostable mode is a 555 timer in which the circuit has one stable state. It gives trigger, it produces one pulse generator, one pulse wave, and it returns like a stable state. These known as monostable operation. Monostable circuit configuration. The 555 timer is configured with one external resistor and capacitor connected to control pulse width. The trigger input is activated by a falling edge to start the timing cycle. The output remains high for predetermined period and then returns low automatically. Monostable operation waveform. When triggered, the output switch from low to high instantly. The output stays high for the calculated time period and then switches back to low. The timing interval is controlled by the RC network, providing precise timing control. Applications of monostable mode. Monostable circuits are used in pulse width modulation and timing applications. They are ideal for generating time delays in digital circuits. Common applications include a frequency divider, missing pulse detection, and sensor trigger circuits like LED flashing circuits, alarm tuning circuits. These are the common applications of monostable mode. Overview of a stable operation. A stable mode generates a continuous square wave without any external trigger. The circuit oscillates between high and low state automatically. It is used for creating clock pulses, tone generation, and flashing lights. A stable mode like a 555 timer IC is a which the circuit no stable state. It produces continuous square wave without any external trigger. These are the overview of a stable operation. A stable circuit configuration. The 555 timer in which a stable mode uses two resistors and one capacitor connected to two pins, pin 6 and 2. The circuit has no stable state. It is continuously switches between high and low outputs. The frequency and duty cycle are determined by the resistor and capacitor values. A stable operation waveform. The output waveform is stable square wave with a fixed frequency and duty cycle. The capacitor charges and discharges between through two threshold levels, causing oscillations. The frequency can be adjusted by changing the resistor and capacitor values. Applications of astable mode. Astable circuits are used in timers, clock generators, and LED flashes. They are form the basis of pulse generation in digital communication system, commonly used in tone generators, light flashers, and waveform generators. References: Triple Five Timer IC applications, electronics tutorials, Triple Five Timer IC datasheet, Texas Instruments, Practical Electronics, Triple Five Timer, all about circuits. Thank you, sir, for this given opportunity.